live from, okay, we're not live, but we are dumping beet trucks, sugar beet trucks here at the old pile number 5. Time to let this driver lift his beets. And it's hard to see inside because we've got terrible plexiglass in here, but there's my truck emptying. Go to get them all. No trucks in line. Hopefully that truck over there is coming, because I don't want to shut her down. Nobody on this side. So right now I'm just watching for his truck to empty. As soon as it does, we're gonna let him put his bed down. Woo, we got another truck. Woohoo! Alright, can you see any more beets coming out of there? No, you can't see shit, can you? I'm gonna say this boy's empty. So we're gonna come over here and tell him to put his down. And now he's gonna put his truck down. Woohoo! Lots of buttons and switches and levers, both sides. How we doing over here? Good deal. Get out of my end bay. Another truck coming. Driving over my endo. Shut the door. Alright, lift your load. This one I gotta scoop up. Well, that's finishing. I gotta make sure he hasn't dumped too many beets out. I gotta stop his truck at a certain point. Like now. Stop. Alright, let's finish you up. Get back down. Put your door down so another truck can come in. That side's ready. Oh, shoot. Turn his beets on. And now they're just sliding out of his truck onto the hopper and up to the conveyor belt and onto the pile. So his beets are doing nicely. Here in a second I'll give him the signal to lift the truck the rest of the way. Which right now looks like a good point. Lift that sucker up, dump those beets out, and we will put them in our pile. Woohoo! It's pretty easy. I really like working the piler. Oh look! We got another truck. Woohoo! I like it when they're lined up, so you just keep working. Work, 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 work. That's the piler. Now I got 2 trucks. This one's finishing up. We'll stage him. Get that door shut. Alright, brother, dump your beets. You go ahead and lift that load. This guy is done. Gonna put him down. He's down. While he's going up, usually we have one staged. If we had trucks lined up, we'd have one staged while we're finishing this one up. While this one's finished up, we'd stage the next side. It's a pretty neat operation. But you really got to pay attention like 100%. one time I forgot to tell the truck to stop, like I just did right now. Stop. And yeah, it wasn't pleasant. So here we're gonna scoop up, scoop those beets into the hopper, which isn't working because I got this stop to start. So we'll get those beets emptied and into the hopper where they all fall in. You can only have one side of beets dumping at a time, or it will overload the system and clog things up. So this one's done. Stop. Scoop. Gotta get his going again. I'm going to put the door back down so another truck can come in, but we don't have another truck. Meanwhile, this guy, we can probably lift him up. He's just about done. So you keep going up, buddy. That's your job. Lift that sucker up. He's not paying attention to my arrow. Go ahead. You got this. There you go. Now we're cooking with sugar beets. It's a fun job. I really like it. I think next year I just want to do the piler alone. I'm the brake girl right now, so I do everything, which is nice also. And I got another truck coming. Hello. It's good to see you. Just keep me busy. The door's open for him. Yes, yes. Come on up, buddy. You got this. I'll close the door for him. This guy's beets are almost done, so I'll lower him. This guy needs to back up, so I'm going to tell him to reverse. Reverse. He's not. All right, you're good to go. I gotta go. Bye.